Ian, author of Lean Media and an Amazon seller for 20 years. Today I'm going to be talking about how you should rename your Amazon FBA shipments and why you should do this. There's actually two reasons why you should do it. If this video helps you, please take a moment to like the video and subscribe to my channel, and you're responsible for following relevant terms. And your experience may also be different than what I'm about to show you. And what you're looking at right now, FBA sellers should be pretty familiar with this. This is an inbound shipment. I've already set up the box, set up the amounts, set up the paid for the shipping, and now I'm ready to print it out and ship it. But before I do that, one really important step is to rename the shipment. And here's how you do it. On step number 3, print box labels, you'll see shipment name. And then there's a little button that says rename it. So if you don't rename it, the shipment will look like this: FBA STA 12/8 blah 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 blah. So that's really hard to understand, and I always rename it using the following method. First, I say what's inside the box or the shipment. So in this case, it is 50 in what we call big chart sampler. And then I put down the date. So today's date is 12/8/21. If I was using maybe doing a lot of shipments to different Amazon fulfillment centers, I might also put in the name of the destination. So I might say TEB 9. In this case, I don't need to do it because usually all of our shipments go there. So, and also you can see it's listed in the metadata right here. So I'm going to rename that, and I can hit save. Okay, so I've done that, and you can see the shipment name is now called that. Now, here is why we do that. Actually, let's go to the shipping queue, and I'll show you why. So we do a lot of FBA shipments, and you can see there's tons of them, okay? And actually, what we've done is every single one is renamed according to what's in the box and when we shipped it. And the reason why, if we need to check into some special, see what's going on with a particular shipment, just by looking at the name, we can determine what's in it. Oh, this has 40 orange units, and we sent it on October the 25th. One other reason to do this is on the shipment label itself. That is the sticker that you print out to put on the outside of the box. For the FBA label, it will put the name of the actual item, that the name that you assign to it. So I can see for this particular FBA label from a couple months ago, it's 80 light greens, 6gen 10 pack. Okay, so this is really helpful if we have an office full of boxes and we're not sure which one is which. We can just look at the look at this text here, and we can determine what's inside if for some reason we need to open it back up or do something else with it. For more information on how to get the most out of your Amazon FBA business, I have a ton of videos and blog posts about it on leanmedia.org. You can also, if you're looking at my YouTube channel right now, if you subscribe to the channel and also like this video, you will be shown more videos like this. And I talk about Amazon all the time, including Amazon FBA, Amazon Advertising, Amazon KDP, Amazon Transparency, many other types of programs that Amazon provides, as well as other programs outside of Amazon, including Shopify. This is Ian Lamont signing off. If you could like this video and subscribe, I'd be very grateful, and I hope to see you next time. Thank you.